Okay, welcome in. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Fleetwood Mac Go Your Own Way. It's a real simple groove. What you're going to see if you go online and look at live versions is it's over the years got more and more difficult. The drummer Mick Fleetwood plays it much more difficult now than maybe was recorded on the original album. Now that's a lesson in itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the basic one and then I'm going to expand, give you some ideas how to look a little bit more proficient. So the basic one starts like this. And all that's happening there is my feet are playing quarter notes, just going both feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 over the top of that, I'm playing eighth notes. So we've got to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and my hands are simply playing this, right? They're going together, right, and then going right, together. And then numbers wise, we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so 1 and 2 and the and of 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 well, the 2 is going to be on the snare drum. So either I bring my left hand down to the snare drum or you can bring your right hand across. I'll show you a few now. And then what you got to do is put the feet in with it. So how do drummers expand on that? Well, you're going to see drummers doing things like if they've got extra toms, they may hit other toms. They may put more left hands in there. So we might get something like this. So start to give the idea that all you're doing is you're setting a vibe, a feel, a style, right? We're trying to set kind of a backdrop for the band to play over. Now, the left foot can also do other things. The left foot, what we could do is splashes. Splashes is where we make the two cymbals hit together and we go like this. Now I can either do it by hitting my heel into there and bouncing off real quick, like that, or if you've got quick toes, you can just tap your toes down real fast to get that splash sound. I might do that maybe every other time, so I start to get this. Or maybe I just every now and then. Now when we get to the main groove in the chorus section of this, again, it's changed over the years. When it was first recorded, we would just have 4 on the floor and an eighth note groove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in more recent recordings of those guys playing this live, you see Mick Fleetwood starting to put in just standard rock beats. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Now in this song, there's also a shaker sound. So it's either someone stood there with a shaker, or maybe it's an overdub, that kind of pattern. Well, live, if you haven't got someone doing that in your band, you may choose to play that instead. So one of the alternative patterns to this, just to lift it a little bit, might be this. But realistically, any bass drum pattern works in the chorus of this song. So, for you guys then, the most basic one you're going to play, verse and chorus, is going to be this. A little more advanced, maybe with a fill in between the two. It's going to be something a little bit more like this. So, get on your drums, go learn that, try the whole song. I'm sure you're going to learn it very quickly and be able to expand with lots of ideas. If you've enjoyed this lesson, please let me know. If you've got other things you'd like me to teach you, stick it in the comments. Maybe give me a like. Make sure you're subscribed even, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.